Hi, I'm Rachel Sheldrick from the Workshop Whisperer, and we help auto repair shop owners to achieve business success. Today we're discussing negotiating with your suppliers. Now, you may think you're already doing a great job at this, but I'm here to show you that you are probably making less profit than you were 6 months ago. So today we're talking about negotiating with suppliers. Now, you may think that you are too busy in your auto repair shop to do a great job of this, or you may think that you rang around all of your suppliers about 12 months ago and they assured you that you're getting the best price, so you think you've ticked that box, which makes you profitable. But one thing that we know for sure from all the conversations that we've had with auto repair shop owners just like you is that you are probably not getting the best price, at least not on the things that you are using in vehicle servicing and repair every day. Now, there are two different categories when it comes to sourcing your parts and the prices that you're paying for them. Of course, there are the parts that you might need for the occasional job where you might have to ring around. Availability's tight, so you kind of have to take what you can get. But then there are the parts that you are using and consuming every single day. So this includes things like your oil filters and air filters, and also your lubricants and fluids. And it's usually those ones where if we spend a little bit of time, we can actually make sure that we're getting a better buy price and therefore making a better profit margin. So how do we do this? Well, the first thing to do is actually spend a bit of time with those sales reps that come in from your suppliers. So every shop has them. They come and do their monthly or 6-weekly trip around, and quite a lot of the time you're probably too busy to think that you can stop and have a decent chat with them. But the whole job of a supplier and their rep is to make sure that they build a great relationship with you. So why not take advantage of that? Let your reps know that come and do their visits that you are actively looking for the best price and the best service. And if you're not confident that you're getting it from them, you will look to go somewhere else. Now, many suppliers actually rely on the fact that you are too busy to look around and go somewhere else. So here's where I want you to carve out the time. Maybe it's a half a day over the next week or two where you sit down with your purple pages from Capricorn, if you're here in Australia or New Zealand, or you look through your supplier list in your management software, in your invoicing software, and you start to look at the things that you're buying repeatedly. Now, in our engine room program, this is an exercise that we have all of our clients do when they come into our program. We get them to do a pricing review. And some of our clients are absolutely astonished to find that they can be buying things like oil up to $30,000 cheaper per year with the same supplier. Now, sharing that with you is probably not going to make me any friends with any of the oil companies, but these are some of the savings that you should be looking for so that $30,000 goes into your pocket. You're the one doing all the hard work. You're the one taking the risk of owning the business. So why shouldn't it be in your bank account? So this goes for things like your oils and your other fluids. It goes for your everyday consumable things that you're putting into cars with services. So all of your filters, all of your things that you might be buying en masse even. Do it with your tires. Do it with every single category of part or fluid that is in your auto repair shop. Now, some of your suppliers will play hardball, and you may very well be on the best buy price, but you should be using to your advantage the fact that you have several suppliers available in each category. So ring around for the other brands that you know that you can trust and ask them to see what they can do for you. Now, maybe you're already on the best buy price, but maybe they can do something else for you. Maybe they can help you with your signage. Maybe they can help you with uniforms for your team. And these are all things that help to freshen up the look of your auto repair shop, which makes you look more appealing to your customers. So I really encourage you to set aside some time. And if you've got somebody else in your auto repair shop that could do this, like your service advisor or somebody else in your office team, then delegate it to them. Set it as a task for them to get done next week and sit down and discuss the results with them. Even if you're making a $1 per litre saving on your oil, you can imagine how many litres of oil you are going through in a year. In fact, you can look it up and you can ask your supplier to tell you how many litres you bought last year. But those savings amount to thousands and thousands of dollars, and we want that money in your pocket. Remember as well that your suppliers will often increase the price without you noticing. Now, that's not to say that they haven't told you, but you may be so busy that you missed the communication that it was happening. So if you're not repeating this process every 6 to 12 months, then you are going to be less profitable than what you were 6 to 12 months ago. So the key message here is take the time to speak to your reps the next time they come out. Let them know that you want to play ball, that you want to be confident that you have the best buy price, or you are willing to look somewhere else. And remember, if it's not dollars that they can do for you, what else can they do for you? Is it new oil tanks? Is it signage? Is it uniforms? But go through every category that you are purchasing for in your auto repair shop, make some calls, play hardball, save some money, put it in your bank account, and be more profitable. If you'd like some help with this or any of the other topics to do with your auto repair shop, then click the link that goes along with this video, answer a few quick questions for us, and book a time to chat. We help our clients with this very thing every single day. We look forward to speaking with you soon.